Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Thumbnail are the first thing viewers notice, and having a well-designed thumbnail can make your video stand out and boost your channel growth. So let's start. First, open your Google and type Canva and click on search. This first one, Canva logo, click on it. Once you click on it, this interface will be open. Now I log in into my account Canva Pro. Once I open it, so the first thing when we start thumbnail, we should know the custom size of our YouTube thumbnail. So I open a new tab and type custom size of YouTube thumbnail and click on search button. It's 180 into 720 pixels. Now I know what the size should be YouTube thumbnail. So I go to home, click on custom size and then click on for you. Now I type YouTube thumbnail. Different sizes comes in front of us. Now we know the actual size is 180 1280 into 720. I click on it. Now this will be open in front of us. Now I choose this one. I change the headline. I convert it into create stunning YouTube thumbnail. I write create stunning on the first line, YouTube on second line, and thumbnail on the third line. I do all this because I want my thumbnail is eye-catchy, attractive, beautiful. I hope you all understand. So you see, now it's look good. I change the position of the picture. It's just take few minutes and you can create your own thumbnail within a few minutes. I change its position where it's look good. And the next step, I want to add my logo in this thumbnail. My logo is Quick Skills with Shehreen. I add this logo on there. And the next thing I do, I can add Canva logo on there because I can make this thumbnail on Canva. So I can add the photo of Canva on my thumbnail. Like this one, I change its size, but it's not prominent on this background, so I can change it with the different one. I want to add this, so I can delete previous one and add this new one. Various options are available but I can add simple photo of Canva on there. I change its size, I reduce it because I want it can fix on there. I more reduce its size. Now it's fit on there. Now the next step is to change the name of this file because I want keywords on my thumbnail file. I want to download it. Just a wait. I look this one. This picture is have many colors and looks good, so I want to fill it on the background. I click on position and put this picture on the last layer. That's look good, so I want to add on the whole background of my thumbnail. That's look nice and look different, eye catchy, attractive. Now I again change the name of my file, easy YouTube thumbnail in Canva, because I want keywords on there, and click on download. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and never forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.